So I decided to walk on the street, on the road that goes into my favorite trails, because the trails are snow, then a sheet of ice, and then water on top because we had rain. So I didn't want to deal with that. It's just as beautiful and as quiet. It's all woods on this road going in, so I can't believe that sun. It's amazing. So I meant to say, this actually brings me joy. One of my words, one of my 3 words, joy. Nature. Nature bathing. Great for the mental health. Get out there, kids. Hug a tree. Day 2, a hug in a tree. It's incredible. Feel its energy. Get out and hug a tree today. He's a big boy. Look at the size. I can't even put my arms around this one. Big boy. Times 4. He's extra big. Wow, look at that. That's crazy. If I was to start jogging, this would be a road that I would jog on. How beautiful is that? But I'm not going to start jogging.